In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert video to PDF. It's called like enter a video Google Drive link, then you are going to get a PDF file. Otherwise, you need to upload a file. You get to convert it to PDF. So exactly, you need to going on go.gobizly.com. Then after login, so you need to have the two type of methods. So I need to upload a file. So I have a lots of video. So okay, I select this video from my computer. Now I need to click on convert. That's it. So I need to wait only few seconds for this processing. Okay, once you've done it, you can skip this process. Then just click on get PDF. That's it. So maybe your PDF are ready for download. Okay, that's good. Wow. So I need to click on just download button. That's it. Now it's automatic download to my computer. Wow, really good tool. So I will give a rating 10 out of 10 this website. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the car. Goodbye.